On this episode of What's Your Vichar, we are in Madgaon. सध्या तरी मडगांव बस स्टँडार आयिल्ले आसा. December is just around the corner and we want to see what people of Goa are looking forward to. कितें they are anticipating, कितें जावपाचें आसा. खूब parties जावपाचे आसा. Obviously Christmas is just around the corner. Lot of people are flying into, tourists are flying into Goa, and obviously Sunburn was just announced. पूण Dr. Pramod Sawantan हालींच तो कॅन्सल केल्लो आसा.
सनबर्न हे फावटी आमी परमिशन दिवंक ना आनी सनबर्न आमी करिना.
Let's find out what people of Goa think about this particular decision. Sunburn jai, sunburn naka, party jai, party naka. Let's find out. तुमका सनबर्न बी जाय हांगा?
आमकां हिंगा सावथाक सनबर्न म्हाका चडशी गरज दिसना, कित्याक आतां कोविडाचो टायम आनी जेन्ना हो सनबर्न जाता तेन्ना हें कोविड वाडोंक शकता. सो तेका लागून आमी हें तितलो फेवर ना.
नवो व्हायरसूय आयला खंय. आज आतां उलयता कालूच सगळे न्यूजार येयला खंय नवो व्हायरस बी येयला खंय. सो तुम्ही घेतला इंजेक्शन बी घेतला?
हय, आमी सगळें इंजेक्शन बी घेतलां आनी आतां आमी सावथ आफ्रिकाक चड जाला एकदम. सेकेंड वेव इज कम इन सावथ आफ्रिका एंड इट्स बिकम मोर देर. So many people might come, some of them might come from there also, and I feel even the air flight should be taken care of on the airports.
पार्टी आवडटा तुमकां? पार्टी म्हळ्यार करपाक सामको आवडटा. म्हळ्यार सनबर्न बी तुका आवडटा?
हय आवडटा.
हालींच सनबर्न हालींच सनबर्न अनाउन्स केल्लो आनी सनबर्न अनाउन्स करतनाच रोखडोच डिसायड केलो की तो जावचो ना ह्या वर्सा. सो तुमकां कितें दिसता, जावपाक जाय काय जावपाक जाय?
जावपाक जाय आसलें पण कोरोना लागून कॅन्सल केला आसतलें.
कित्याक जावपाक जाय म्हाका सांग?
पार्टी न्हू, वर्सा एक फावटी जाता ती.
हय रे, पूण खूब पार्टी जाता न्ही रे. पूण तीच पर्टिक्युलरली पार्टी कित्याक कितले लोक येता पळय गोंयान, आनी स्पेशली आतांच कालूच सगळें कळ्ळां की नवो वेरियंट आयला गोंयान. सो इट इज अ गुड डिसिजन ऑर बॅड डिसिजन? कितें दिसता तुमकां?
अशें कॅन्सल केल्यार ते बॅड डिसिजन म्हणटा, पण कितें वर्सा एक फावटी जाता ती पार्टी, बरें जातालें.
म्हाका भुरगेपणां याद येयली हेंकां पळोवन. सगळे सायकल बिकल करून सगळे भायर सरले. बरें कितें करता काय म्हणल्यार कितें करपा आयले रे?
काय ना, काम ना आमकां.
काम ना म्हणटा. हॅव यू ऑल heard about sunburn? You know what sunburn is?
Yes, I have heard about it, not really, but then
I'm sure you've not been there, right?
yes, it has an age limit, right?
Okay. What is sunburn though?
I don't know. It's some kind of a party which happens once a year.
Yes. Would you want to go there?
To be honest, yes, there are nice people playing there. I've heard a lot of times.
It's okay to have some fun, but then you have to maintain your social distance because we cannot say what can happen. We are already awaiting the third wave, but it's difficult to maintain that social distancing when you leave everything open. People just go, they're so frustrated literally, and they are just out to venture into the world, and that's when things can really get bad.
Have you been to sunburn before?
No, never been. Yeah, but I have seen the chaos at least on television, and it's not very, not inviting as far as the pandemic is concerned.
Tourism minister said yes, we are going to have, but then CM said no, he has already stopped it.
हे इव्हेंट जावपाक जाय. This show must go on.
हे फावटी आमी सनबर्नाक परमिशन दिना, फायलीर घालून धाडलें. तुका कितें दुबाव आसा?
So what is your take on that?
It's the right decision right now at this moment. We can have sunburn, no doubt about it, but at this stage, this phase, it is not fair enough to bring tourism in.
So your ideals would be once things are back to normal,
Then we can.
and then we can have it.
Sunburn will always be there with Goans because it is worldwide. Everybody knows what is sunburn. People are booking from outside, so people come from outside. But this year, for God's sake, we should stop it.
बाकी बरें मगे? बाबा कसलें नुस्तें आहा पळय सांग पळय हांगा.
बांगड्या, सुंगटां, तारले, लेपवा, शेवट्या.
तूं केन्ना सनबर्नाक गेला? सनबर्नाक गेला केन्ना?
गेला ना गेला.
ह्या वर्सा वतलो?
खबर ना.
भाऊ कसलें नुस्तें घेतलें?
पापलेट घेतला हांवें.
पळय सारकें टवटवीत फ्रेश मेळ्ळा ताका. आत्तां काय घेवन आयला तो. बरें मेळ्ळा मरे डील बी?
हय बरें मेळ्ळा.
सनबर्नाक केन्ना गेल्लो आसा?
ना आयकलां बट केन्ना वचूंक ना. जो प्रमाणे आतां थर्ड वेव म्हण आज आयकलां हांवें, त्या प्रमाणे दिसता बरें दिशेन म्हण दिसता. तरी पण सनबर्न एक गोंयाचें एक कितें म्हणटा एक कितें म्हणटा तें अट्रॅक्शन तें ते असले जाल्यार बरें पडटलें आनी भायरचे लोकांक सुद्दां मातशें बरें दिसता गोंयांत कितें तरी आसा म्हूण अशें दिसता.
सो आता घरा वचून कितें करपाचो? पापलेटाचें कितें करतलो?
पापलेटां करतलो, रवा फ्राय करतलो,
अरे वा, परत लिंबू बिंबू घालून कांदो बिनो घालून सारको
सुरसुरीत भाजप.
सनबर्न गए हो कभी?
कहाँ पे?
सनबर्न गए हो? सनबर्न भर की एक पार्टी होता है ना, एकदम बड़ा सा पार्टी. कभी सनबर्न करना गेला?
Yeah, I have gone.
Okay, you enjoy it?
Yes.
How many times you gone?
I think twice.
Twice. So this time it's happening. It's not happening. Zata जायना काय कोयना शे. So what is your take on that?
Actually, I had checked out a post on LinkedIn where I think Perceptually was talking about sunburn, and they are saying that they are not going to have it on a large scale, but they are having it at Hilltop or something like that.
Something like that. But is it a right decision? Do you think sunburn should happen at this time? Because suddenly yesterday we got to know that there's a new variant coming from South Africa. So what do you think about that? Should sunburn even happen?
I mean, if you consider it with regards to safety, I don't think it should. But then again, everything has opened up. So it depends really, but then again, it's a big festival and it's not necessarily needed.
Lastly, tell me, what are you most excited about in December?
Right now, no. I am not excited at all. I'm worried about the pandemic.
So this is what the public had to say. Do let us know your vichar in our comment section. Until then,
like, share and subscribe.
Like,